Most online sites that accept people to sign up and to make money by typing or writing online, such as transcription companies like Scribby.com, like HappyScribe, Go Transcribe, and many others, no longer accept application. Not all, but most of them no longer accept applications. But I found out a site in which you can sign up to and you make money by writing in different categories, ranging from business, engineering, agriculture, and any field that you could ever thought of. In the last 24 hours, I checked out on this site and I saw many jobs available in different categories which you can participate in. But before doing that, you need to first of all register for an account, and you take a quiz on this site in order to be accepted to work on the site. And also in the past 5 days, I've seen people earn up to $3,000 on this site, which you too can equally earn that amount of money. So I'm just going to go ahead to share with you this site. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure you do so by hitting on the red subscribe button below this video, and also smash the notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime I drop a new video on this channel. As you can see on your screen right here, these are top 10 jobs available within 24 hours. As you can see right here, with the different amounts, and the jobs are being categorized in different categories and fields. For example, advertising, 20 pages for $160. Arts and architecture, 40 pages for $320. Business, $440 for 55 pages. Engineering, $660 for 55 pages. This site is known as writerbay. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. As you can see here, you can see top 5 writers' profit for the last 30 days. As you can see, $2,768, $2,082, $1,865, $1,583, and $1,487 for the past 30 days working on writerbay, as you can see here. So all you need to do is just to go ahead and register for an account, and registration here is free of charge. As you can see, I'm going to walk you through this site. There is no registration fee, and it has a wide range of interesting projects that you can actually engage in. And there are 5 requirements which I'm going to read out to you on this side. The first requirement here is that you need to have a minimum of bachelor's degree, and you need to have the ability to either have any of these payment methods. When you click on payment, it will lead you to this section here, which they pay from the 1st to the 5th and 16th to the 20th of every month. You need a minimum of $100 to request for a cash out, and you need to provide your payment method 4 days, or your payment information 4 days before the day of payment. And these are the 2 payment methods. We have web money here, which has a 5% commission, and you choose the payment option that you want. And the second payment method is Payoneer. For those of you that doesn't have a Payoneer account, you can watch my video, which I'm going to leave here and in the description box below, on how to create a Payoneer account, so that if you sign up for an account with writerbay, you can easily use your Payoneer account to receive your payments. So as you can see, these are the different payment methods, and you equally need to have English language proficiency and an internet access, as well as a laptop or a personal computer. So you need these 5 requirements, and as you can see here, you need to have a bachelor's degree in any of these fields highlighted here. In fact, any degree that you have, any bachelor degree certificate that you have, you can go ahead and you apply on this side. And as you can see right here, you click on register in order to start registering for an account with writerbay. Here you need to fill in, you need to click on register, and here we have 3 steps that you need to follow. For example, you have personal details, then you have qualification and experience, and you have additional information, which I have gone through that in signing up for an account or registering for an account. And you need to read a tutorial and take a short quiz on the information given, and then you need to complete a short written prompt and one simple paper word which contain 275 to 350 words, and you need to upload your CV and your higher educational certificate. So here, meaning that you cannot cheat, you can't do anything. If you don't have a bachelor's degree, you are not qualified to work on this side. So as you can see, these are some of the additional advantages if you have a higher certificate other than bachelor's degree. If you have a master's, if you have a master's certificate or PhD. So here, just go ahead and fill in your personal information, which I did already. Then here you need to enter your qualification and experiences by filling in this box right here, which you need to enter. You need to choose the language that you are proficient in. Select the degree that you have. For example, when you click on this drop down arrow, and remember that with this side, you need to be proficient in English. So I'm just going to select English right here, which was what I did. Then you enter your academic degree, which may be bachelor or so on. Then I'm done with qualification and experience. So the next thing is additional information, as you can see here, which is the 3rd step, which I need to write the about me section and a motivation letter, which is, and then I also indicate the time available for me to be able to do tasks on this side. As you can see here, I'm just going to enter the about me and a motivation letter. Then I agree to the terms and conditions, and also agree to use Telegram app as a source for receiving updates from writerbay. Then after doing that, I submit, which will now take you to the section where you need to take the quiz and you complete all the tests that you need to do, and then you upload your CV if you have a CV, in which you must have a CV to upload, as well as your educational certificate, your degree certificate, in which if you don't have, this video is not actually for you, or this site is not actually for you. You can check out other ways of making money online even if you don't have a degree, which I'm going to leave right here and on the description box of this video below. And after you complete all these processes and you are being accepted on this side, you can go ahead and you begin to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 on this side. And I wish you good luck working with writerbay. I hope you find value in this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel by hitting on that red subscribe button, and also smash the notification bell so that you don't miss out anytime we drop a new video on this channel. Check out other videos of making money online. Share this video with your friends and loved ones, and see you in my next one.